What's up everybody, Lucas here. In this video, follow along with me, and in only 5 minutes, we will be improving our hearing significantly. But you gotta focus. With that being said, find yourself a quiet space, somewhere where you can really dial in and focus into this video. It helps to have a pair of noise canceling headphones. If you don't sweat it too much, just really pay attention and really do your best. All right. Let's get started improving our hearing. I want you to relax into the sounds of nature. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 3 deep breaths. We're going to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. 4 count on the way in, 4 count on the way out. Ready? In. Out. In. Out. One more. In. Out. Let it go. Relax. Continue breathing and focus on nature. Focus on the birds. Soon you will hear a horse galloping from your right side past you, off into the left side, and then from the left past you, off to the right. Now the horse will get quieter with each pass, but continue to focus on the horse. Slowly an ambient tune will begin to fade in and nature will slowly fade out. I want you to stay with the birds. Hear them continue to chirp through the sounds of the ambient pads. Stay with the birds. Focus on the birds. Focus on the birds. With your eyes closed, you're going to hear a beep. It will echo. I want you to determine which side the beep was more dominant on. When you do so, you can open your eyes, and on the screen, I will put either right or left, and you can see if you are right and try to focus on the next beep. Just do your best and focus. Now we're going to focus on the drums. We're going to allow the sound to massage our ears, our brain, our senses. Become aware. Listen to them as they get quieter, quieter, further away, and as they come back. Just focus on the drums. He's out. Take your headphones off. Wow. So that worked really well for me. I feel like I can hear way better. I feel like I don't even need to talk as loud. I feel like I could hear a pin drop in a phone box in the basement right now. Let me know what you guys thought of this video in the comments. Let me know how your hearing improved. With that being said, if you're interested in improving more skills, learning new abilities in only 5 minutes, check out my Everything in 5 Minutes playlist. Link in the description. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all so much for your positive feedback and support. I hope you all have a great day. Stay tuned, more videos coming out. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.